Ganesha, Ganesha number 2, Ganesha number 3, Ganesha number 4, Ganesha number 5, Ganesha number 6, Nataraja, Shiva number 1, Shiva number 2, Shiva number 3, Shivalinga. Parvati number 1, Parvati number 2. Vishnu Hasta number 1, Vishnu number 2, Vishnu number 3, Vishnu number 4. Lakshmi number 1, Lakshmi number 2, Saraswati number 1, Saraswati number 2, Saraswati number 3. Krishna number 1, Krishna number 2, Krishna number 3.